Hi everyone, welcome to another Cabinet Vision Guy tech tip. In this episode, I'm going to be taking you through how to build up a doors or parts only job through order entry. Firstly, we're going to start out in plan view, and I've just added a wall to my plan. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off just going into custom cabinets, and I'm going to drag in just a standard base. And what we're going to do is we're going to build up an object to save away into our catalog, and this is what we're going to use to build up our list of doors or parts. So from here, if I head down to assembly level, now what I'd like to do is I'd like to make sure the door is the overall size of the assembly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to properties and I'm going to go to toe. And I'm going to make sure my toe or plinth height is set to 0. I'm also going to go to reveals and also make sure that all my reveals are set to 0 as well. And then from section view, I'm going to go modifications and hide parts, and I'm going to hide all parts apart from the door. And if we just switch to 3D, you'll see that that leaves us with our door component with our hinge drilling and our handle or pull drilling as well. If I want to remove those, I can click on the door and right click and go to properties. And then under hinges, I can specify the quantity there, and under pulls, I can also specify the quantity there. Now, the next thing I need to do, if I just OK this, is I'm going to right click and choose Save As. I'm going to add it back into my custom cabinets, but I'm going to call this single door. Now, what you might want to do if you head into advanced and into preserves, you might also want to preserve the actual door style itself if you set that up on assembly level as a property. But I'm going to hit OK and then just hit OK here. And then what I'm going to do is hit return, head into reports, and we'll see we've got our standard base. I'll actually get rid of the wall and just go back to reports. And then from here, I can head into order entry, and I can either choose to drag in my single door part like so and just give it a width and height that I want. Or what I can do is I can click in the part number and then start typing my assembly name, which is obviously just single door. This also works if you want to import a CSV file and calling out obviously this as the assembly name, and then we can populate all the different sizes of door that we'd like to use with it. Hopefully you found this episode useful. Feel free to give us a like, share and subscribe. We're also on Facebook, that's facebook.com/thecabinetvisionguy, and Instagram too, that's instagram.com/thecabinetvisionguy. Cheers.